Students, in our previous video we have discussed about definition of chemical kinetics and what are the topics which we are going to read in this chapter 4, chemical kinetics. Now in this video we will discuss about rate of reaction and how the rate of reaction depends on concentration. Now consider this graph. Now you can see that one graph, the concentration in this line, the concentration is decreasing, and where in this line the concentration is increasing. You can clearly see that the concentration of reactants decreases continuously, where concentration of products increases continuously. So this line belongs to reactant and this line belongs to products. So the concentration of reactants decreases where concentration of products increases. Now how we can define rate of reaction? The rate of reaction can be defined as change in concentration with time. Change in concentration with time. So we can give the rate of reaction like delta C upon delta T, where C2 minus C1, C2 is concentration at time T2, where C1 is concentration at time T1, where T2 is time and T1 is another time. So the rate of reaction can be defined as delta C upon delta T. The positive and negative sign here indicates the increase and decrease in concentration. If we are defining the rate of reaction by products, then the concentration will be increased, so positive sign will be there. And if we are defining the rate of reaction by reactants, then the concentration will be decreased, so the sign will be negative. So the positive and negative sign indicating the decrease and increase in concentration. Now instantaneous rate, the rate of reaction at a particular time is called instantaneous rate of reaction. If we are defining rate of reaction at a particular time, then it is instantaneous rate of reaction. So if we are taking a particular moment, then there will be a small change in concentration. There will be a small change in concentration. The formula of rate of reaction will be dC upon dt, where D is indicating small change in concentration. Positive and negative sign are indicating decrease and increase in concentration. Positive sign increase in concentration, negative sign decrease in concentration. Decrease is for reactants and increase is for products. Now consider this reaction in which A is reactant and B is product. A is converted to B. So rate of reaction can be defined by both reactant and products. How? Rate equals to rate of disappearance of A. A is reactant, so it will be disappeared with time. So the rate of reaction will be minus dA upon dt equal to minus delta A upon delta T, where delta A upon delta T is average rate of reaction, where minus dA upon dt is instantaneous rate of reaction. Similarly, in case of product, the rate of appearance of B, which can be given as dB upon dt equal to delta B upon delta T. So delta is, if we are defining the rate of reaction by putting delta, then it is average rate of reaction, and if we are defining the rate of reaction by putting D, it means it is instantaneous rate of reaction.